Are you almost always tired, sluggish, hungry, battling brain fog, and gaining extra weight? Do you have excess gas and irregular bowel movements? Even a strict keto diet and perfect workout routine won't fix these issues, but there is an answer. We now know that virtually all our health outcomes are governed by the gut, the 100 trillion bacteria cells that make up your gut microbiome. If you don't have the right balance of bacteria, you simply won't be at your best. And I hate to say that 99% of people have no idea how this works. The good news is you can rapidly and effectively swap out your gut bacteria by eating some simple foods in strategic ways, such as apple peels, cranberry extract, and a certain type of bananas. Do this and you can reboot your entire gut microbiome and in turn improve your digestion, your immunity, and your cognitive function. All of these changes can occur within weeks. The great news is that there's a secret ingredient for fast-tracking your progress and unlocking these benefits in a matter of days. It's called HMO and stands for Human Milk Oligosaccharide. Now bear with me, we're going deep. About 100 years ago, a substantial percentage of babies would not make it through birth or their first 2 months. Scientists noticed some babies had a much higher chance of being completely healthy, and they narrowed it down to breastfeeding. Those babies outlived non-breastfed babies to a large extent. But why? What was in breast milk that made the difference? Protein? Fat? Lactose? Sure, those are all in breast milk, but it turns out there was something else. Something scientists called gynolactose or bifidus factor. Today, it's known as HMO. Research showed that a slew of complex carbohydrate molecules, sugars unique to human milk, were literally building the baby's gut bacteria from scratch, and in turn building the baby's immune system cell by cell. We now know that at least 70% of the human immune system is in the gut. Now imagine if the benefits of HMO could help adults too. There's obviously not enough breast milk to go around, so scientists began working on a way to replicate these HMO molecules, many of them with very scientific names, such as 2-Fucosyllactose and Lacto-N-neotetraose. Today, that vision has been achieved. Human identical milk oligosaccharide is available in capsule and powder form and does not contain any human milk, but does offer all the benefits. It's created through a complex fermentation process, and when you put the resulting tasteless white powder under a microscope, it's identical to the HMO molecules in breast milk. A team of researchers gave these new HMO supplements to adults who have irritable bowel syndrome as part of a study, and the result was that overwhelmingly, the symptoms of gas, bloating, pain, diarrhea, and constipation were significantly reduced. HMO has also been shown to promote the growth and spread of 2 types of key gut bacteria, Bifidobacteria and Akkermansia muciniphila. These bacteria are found in greater concentrations in people who have stronger immune systems and who are leaner. They tend to be lower in people who are sick and overweight. HMO, in combination with a very specific group of functional foods, is the only proven way to increase these bacteria and reap the incredible health rewards. Learn more at www.leaorigin.com.